Now come to question number 4. See A part. Construct three equations starting with x is equal to 2. See A part. X is equal to 2. Here multiplying both sides by 2. What will you get? 2 into x equal to 2 into 2. That is 2 into x. It is 2x equal to 2 to the 4. This is your first equation. Again, take x is equal to 2. Adding 2 to both sides. What will you get? X plus 2 equal to 2 plus 2, or x plus 2 equal to 2 plus 2, 4. This is your second equation. Again, taking x is equal to 2, we are subtracting 1 from both sides. What will you get? X minus 1 equal to 2 minus 1, or x minus 1 equal to 2 minus 1, it is 1. This is your third equation. These are your three equations. Now come to B part. Here construct three equations starting with x is equal to minus 2. Here take x is equal to minus 2. Here adding 1 to both sides. What will you get? X plus 1 equal to minus 2 plus 1. Solve it, you will get x plus 1 equal to minus 1. This is your first equation. Again taking, again take x is equal to minus 2, subtracting 1 from both sides. What will you get? X minus 1 equal to minus 2 minus 1, or x is minus 1 equal to minus 2 minus 1, it is minus 3. This is your second equation. Again take x is equal to minus 2 multiplying both sides by 2. What will you get? 2 into x equal to minus 2 into 2 or 2x equal to 2 to the 4, it is minus 4. This is your third equation. In this way, you can make infinite equations with the given equation by adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, or by subtracting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. You can subtract negative numbers also, or multiplying both sides by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, or dividing both sides by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. By doing so, you can make infinite equations. That's all for today. Thank you.